Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. This is your maths teacher Muhammad Irsad. This is your fourth class of maths, which has been recorded for 25th March 2020. We are doing chapter number 13, which is about surface area and volume. Today in this class, we will do two exercises, 13.5 and 13.6. 13.5 and 13.6. So let's start our class. Let's move to exercise 13.5. So the exercise 13.5 is about cuboid, its volume, cuboid's volume. You have to find cuboid's volume. Previously you have done in this chapter only exercise 13.1 or 2. There we have find the area of surface area of cuboid. So you all are familiar with the cuboid. Then also just I will tell you about cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D shape. Cuboid is a 3D shape. You can see in this figure, means three-dimensional shape. Cuboid has three faces, six faces. You can see here one face, two face, and other side third, and bottom fourth, and this fifth, and opposite side this one sixth. So four side and top and bottom, six faces. The faces of the cuboids can be any quadrilateral. Like quadrilateral means the four side figures. Most probably the cuboids are made up of six rectangles. Six rectangle. You can see this one is top one, or the bottom one, or this side one, all are rectangles, which are placed at right angles. Means one rectangle with other rectangles, it will give you 90-degree right angle. Here you can see I am pointing with this pointer, right angle. You can see this angle here, right angle. And a cuboid that uses all square faces is called cube. You can see in this figure all faces are here square, so this is a cube. In cube you can see all the length, breadth and height all are same. If one side I will take considered as a, then all will be a, length, breadth and height. And here in cuboid, length, this length, breadth or depth or width and height all will be different. If all will become same, then this cuboid will be termed as cube. Now we will see the formula that we are going to use for these exercises. I have combined these two pages, page 26, 226 and 227 from your book. I have combined, I have taken the important figures and formulas from your book. You can get these same slides on this page number mentioned here in your book also. So you know, you all are familiar, you have done exercises on this topic. So what will be the volume? Before you have done about lateral surface area, and today we are going to do about volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid means the area of base multiplied by height, area of base into height. Or area of base is a rectangle, so it will be length into breadth. So ultimately you can say the volume of a cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. You can write it like this: L into B into H, or LBH, where L, B and H are length, breadth and height of the cuboid respectively. Similarly, this figure you can see for the cube. So volume of a cube is equals to edge into edge into edge, means these are the edge. You can also write side into side into side. That's the side cube. If here I have taken side represented by A, so A cube. So volume of a cube is A cube, or side cube, or edge cube, where A is the edge of the cube. Edge means its length of its side. So let's move to exercise. Exercise 13.5, sums number 1. You can see here question. A matchbox measured 4 cm into 2.5 cm and 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? So just find the volume of one box, and here they have given the dimension, 3 dimension. means length is 4, breadth is this 2.5 and height is 1.5, and we know the volume of one matchbox I will find first, then multiply by 12, you will get the total volume of 12 such boxes. So volume of one boxes is equals to length into breadth into height, and then just put the value of length, breadth and height given here. When you will multiply, you will get this 15 centimeter cube. You have to keep in your mind the unit of volume. This is the unit of volume, unit cube, whatever unit will be there, meter or centimeter or whatever, you have to mention cube there. Then you can find, therefore the volume of 12 matchboxes is equals to volume of 1 multiplied by 12, means 15 into 12, that will give you 180 centimeter cube. Question number 2 is same, you can read in your book. So I have not done number 2, we will move to number 3. So whatever, like same question, repetition will be there, same kind, that you will do by yourself. If any problem will be there, then I will help you in the next class. So here question number 3. Question number 3 is a cuboidal vessel. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquids? Means you have to find height here. So here what are the given things? Length is given 10 meter, breadth given 8 meter, and height you have to find. I have put question mark here. And we all know the volume of vessel equals to length into breadth into height. And volume vessel they have given here 380 cubic meter. So in place of volume I have written 380, and then just put the value of length 10, breadth 8, and h, just put it h like that. Then I have changed the side. This all right hand side thing has gone to left hand side, and left hand side thing has gone to right hand side. So just changing their sides. So I want to find this h. So h I will keep in the left hand side, remaining all will go to right hand. So at right hand there is 380. These two are in multiplication, so we will go in division. When changing their sides, the sign will also change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication. So it is in multiplication 10 into 8. It will go in division. Now 1 0 and this 10 can cut. Then 38 will be divided by 8. When you will divide, you will get this 4.75 height. So the tank must be made 4.7 meter high, means the required height of the tank should be 4.75 meter, because meter is the unit here they have used. So here you have to write meter. This you can divide 38 by 8, even in rough you can divide by yourself. Then 4 is similar kind of question. So 4 will be your homework. I'll move to number 5. See question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if the length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Means the given thing L equals to this, length is given and height is given, and breadth you have to find. We know the capacity of tank is given this much liter. So just convert it into cubic meter. This spelling of liters is wrong written here by mistake. You can just make correction here. Liters. It will be LITRES. LITRES. R is missing here. Just to do correction here. And we know 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. Or 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter, or you can say 1000 liter equals to 1 cubic meter, 1 meter cube. So this liter I want to convert it into meter cube. So what I will do, just divide by 1000. Just divide by 1000 this one. So after division you will get like 50 cubic meter. Means 50,000 liter means 50 meter cube. So this is the capacity of tank, volume of tank. So capacity of tank or volume of tank, we know length into breadth into height. So in place of this volume of tank we will write here 50, and here I will put the given data, and the missing one we have to find. So B is missing here. Length I have put 2.5, height we have put 10, and B I have to find breadth. Now change the side. This all thing 2.5 into B into 10, I will take it to left hand side, and 50 will goes to right hand side. Now I will keep here B. This to multiply 2.5 multiply by 10 will give you 25. So B into 25 equals to 50. then this b is in 25 is in multiplication, it will go that side in division, and 50 divided by 25 will give you 2. So b is 2, hence the breadth of the tank is 2 meter. So they told you to find the breadth of the tank. This is breadth of the tank. Now number 6, question number 6 will be your homework. It is same like number 5. We'll move to question number 7. What is question number 7? A godown measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meters. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meters into 1.25 meters into 0.5 meters, that can be stored in the godown. So we will find the both volume, the volume of godown and the volume of each crates. Then we can find easily the number of crates that can be stored. So volume of godown, the dimension they have given already, length into breadth into height, same thing. This will be the volume, 40 into 25 into 10, and all 3 meters are there, so meter cube. We know the units of volume is meter cube. And the volume of one wooden crate will be this, all dimension will be multiplied here, 1.5 multiplied by 1.25 into 0.5 meter cube. Now we know, we want to know how many crates can be stored. So required number of crates is equals to volume of godown divided by volume of one crate, and volume of godown is this one. All I can write it same like this, 40 into 25 into 10, and below in denominator we can write this, the volume of one crate, that is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5, and you just multiply all numerator and all denominator, then you can divide it. Below, when you will multiply below, you can remove the point from the denominator. You can see here point decimal is like after 1 digit, here after 2, and here after 1, means total after 4 digits. So just multiply without decimal, and then at last you can give the decimal after 4 digit. The next step, you can remove that decimal, and on numerator add 40, because in denominator after 4 digit decimal will come. So in numerator you can add 4 extra 0 and remove the decimal from down. I have avoided that steps because here this slide is very small. We cannot do that much steps, so I have skipped that step. Hope you can do it by yourself. If any difficulties, you can discuss with me, no problem. So when you will do, this much is coming. So you can see here 10,666 points, this one. So this is fractional, it's like something more than half crates, but not one complete crate. So our godown can store this much crates only, it cannot take one more. Generally in decimal, if we are getting after decimal more than 5, we are adding here, but in this case we cannot, because if I will take means it will come 667 and it cannot store. So we will keep little space empty. So the maximum number of wooden crates that can be stored in the godown is 10,666. Now we will move to next question, question number 8. 8 is also different kind, so I have solved it here. A solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? And also find the ratio of their surface area. So here the side of a cube, let's say that is equals to 12 given, the big one. The area of the cube will be, the volume of the cube will be side cube, means a cube, that is 12 cube, and 12 cube means 12 multiplied by 12, again multiply by 12 3 times, you will get this 1728. Now the volume of one smaller cube, this is the volume of big cube whose side was 12 centimeter. Now this has been divided into 8 equal cubes, so I will find the volume of one smaller cube. So volume of one smaller cube is equals to this volume of big cube divided by 8. When you will divide this by 8, you will get 216 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of one smaller cube. So let the side of a new cube, smaller cube, be capital A, or you can take any figure x, y, z, anything. Therefore a cube is equals to 216, means a cube means the volume of the new cube, smaller cube, that is a cube, and that is equals to given 216 from here, you can see. So A is equals to this cube I will remove, so here cube root will come. So 216 cube root will be 6, means 6 into 6 into 6 is equals to this. We will make a group. If we will take the factor of 216, a group of 6 same digit. So 6 into 6 into 6 will give you 16. So 6 will come out. The cube root of 216 you have learned in grade 8. So will give you 6. Hence the side of a new cube is 6 centimeter. You got. They ask you what will be the side of new cube. So we got the side of a new cube is 6 centimeter. The second question they said also find the ratio of their surface area. So find the surface area of both cubes. So the total surface area of bigger cube is equals to 6a square. Surface area is 6a square. So 6 into a square means that is 12 here. It is given 12. So 12 into 12. A square means 2 times you can write. So 6 into 12 into 12 will be the surface area. Don't calculate it. Leave it like this because we are going to find the ratio. And total surface area of one smaller cube is equals to 6 capital A square. And capital A's value is 6. We got it here from the cube root. So 6 into 6 into 6. Then hence the required ratio of their surface area is equals to, on top I will write the surface area of the big cube, that is 6 into 12 into 12 from here you can see. And in the denominator the second one, this 666, then you can cut it. 6 and 6 will be cut here. 6 one time, 6 two times, again this 6 one time, 6 two times. So all numerator you can multiply 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, and below all into 1 into 1 into 1 will give you 1. So 4 by 1. It can be written in this form also, 4 is to 1. 4 over 1 means 4 is to 1. So this is the required ratio. So two answers you got. First one, the side of a new cube is 6 centimeter, and second one, the ratio of their surface areas is 4 is to 1. Now question number 9. Let's move to question number 9. That's also a different kind of question, so I have tried to solve it here. Question number 9 is a river 3 meters deep and 40 meters wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall in the sea in a minute? Not in hour, in a minute. So speed of the rivers, that is only the length, how much water is flowing. Speed of the river, that we will consider as length, L, is equals to 2 km per hour. So convert it into meters. So 2 km means 2000 meters per hour. And breadth is given here, wide 40 meter, and height, river is 3 meter deep, that is the height, deep, depth, that is taken as height. Then volume of the water that fall in sea in 1 hour. In 1 hour is, that is length into breadth into height. So length I have taken here 2000 meter, 2000 into 40 into 3, this one will come. But they told you in a minute, and this we have find in 1 hour. So in 1 minute how much water flows? So just we will divide by 60, because in 1 hour 60 minutes are there. So volume of water fall in the sea in 1 minute is equals to this answer, 2000 into 40 into 3 divided by 60. You can cut it here also. 0 0 you can cut, 3 cut by 2 times, then 2 cut this. So when you solve this, you will get this 4000 meter cube, means 4000 meter cube water flows in the sea in 1 minute. So this is the end of exercise 13.5. and now the second exercise also we will start today, because we are having very less time and our portion is too much. So let's move to next exercise 13.6, and 13.6 is about volume of a cylinder. So previously we have done surface area of a cylinder, so you are familiar with the cylinder. Now today we will go to volume of a cylinder. What is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder means the base area, this base is a circle, base area, that is pi r square, into height. So area of a circular base into height. Area of a circular base means pi r square, into height means this. So we can write volume of a cylinder is equals to pi r square h, where r is the base radius, this base radius from here to here I can say this line, and here you can see the base radius or top radius, and h is the height. This is height from center of bottom to top, which makes 90 degree with the radius, or this is the height, where height. So and whatever liquids we are keeping in a container, that will take its shape also. In this figure you can see. Let's have question number 1. Question number 1 is the circumference of the base, not the area. Circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? So here given thing, height is 25 centimeter, circumference they have given, that is equals to 2 pi r, we know, that is equals to 132. They have given here 132. So from here we will find the radius. So 2 pi r, this thing also we have done in lateral surface area of cylinder. So 2 pi r equals to this given, 2 we will put, pi's value we know the constant 22/7, r will be like that and 32. Then we can just solve it, r will be here, remaining all will go, so 7 will go up and this 2 and 22 will come down. Then you can cut it by 2, you can cut here, 66 will come. Then by 22 you can cut 22 one times and 3 times, then 3 into 7 will give you 21 centimeters. So this is the radius. So you got the radius, but what you want to find, how many liter of water can it hold, means the volume of that cylindrical vessel. So volume of the cylinder or the volume of water the vessel can hold is equals to the volume of that container, that vessels, cylindrical vessels, and volumes formula is pi r square h. So pi's value you know 22/7, r you got from here 21, so r square, so 2 times you can write 21 into 21, and height is 25. From here you can take the height is 25. Now you can solve it by 7, you can cut this 3, then you can multiply this 22 multiply by 21 multiply by 3 and multiply by 25, you will get this much centimeter. But they told you how many liters. So we got this centimeter cube, and here they have given one relation also, 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So this much centimeter cube equals to how much? Just divide by 1000, you will get this one. So 1 centimeter means 1/1000. So you can find it here, this much centimeter. So if you want to convert it into liter, just divide by this 1000. When you will divide by 1000, below in denominator 3 zeros, so give decimal after 3 digit, 1 2 3 means here you can give 34.650, and last 0 has no significance in decimal after decimal, so you can write 34.65 liter. So this will be your answer. Now question number 2 is same kind. No, question number 2 is different, so let's do question number 2. Question number 2, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has mass 0.6 gram. So here what is given? Inner radius, take it small r, equals to 24/2, because diameter they have given. So 24 divided by 2, I will get the radius, that is equals to 12. And outer diameter also they have given 28. Here you can see the diameter is 28 centimeter. So just divide by 2, you will get the outer radius, 28 divided by 2 centimeter. So you will get 14. And height they have given 35 centimeter. So you can write it. Here you can see the length of the pipe, that means that is height. Then the volume of the mass used in that pipe. So what you will do? The outer circumference minus inner circumference, like a ring. Before also we have done in cylinder chapter. So here that is pi and then r square minus r square, means if you will see this pi r square h, this r square h means the outer pi r square h means the outer volume minus inner volume, pi r square small r square h. So outer volume minus inner volume will give you the mass in that cylinder used, that pipe used, cylindrical pipe. So just put the value pi, you know, and here outer radius is 14. Sorry, by mistake we have written here 4, it will be square. You can just do correction here, it will be square, not 4, it's a typing error. 2 will come here, and then 12 is square. So and multiply by height 35, and you know this is a formula, a square minus b square. I told you this will be square, not 4, this will be 2, this will be 2, then 14 is square minus 12 is square. I have written here formula, algebraic formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. You can do it, this 14 square is equals to 196 and 12 square 144, and do subtraction and you can write answer. But this is the easier. You can do a plus b and a minus b. Means a plus b means 14 plus 12 will give you 26, and a minus b means 14 minus 12 will give you 2. This is like that, and it is here. You can do in any way as you wish, but do correction here. It is a typing error. It will be 2, not 4. Here, this one. Then you can solve it by 7. I have got this 35. It will give you 5. Then you can multiply this 22, 26 and 2 and 5. It will give you 5720 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So this is the total volume, but you have to find the mass. They said 1 centimeter cube is equals to 0.6 gram. See, mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is 0.6 gram. Therefore, mass of 5720 centimeter cube of wood is equals to, with this we will multiply. So 0.6 multiply our volume 5720. That much gram will come. When you will multiply this, you will get this much gram. 3432 gram. Yes, you can see in 4 digit you can convert it into kg, bigger unit. So divide by 1000. Divide by 1000 means after, in 1030 are there. So after 3 digit you can put a decimal point. So I'll put here 1, 2, 3 means here after 3. So it will come 3.432 kg. This is your answer. Now question number 3 will be your homework. It's a similar kind of question. Move to question number 4. Question number 4 is, if the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find its radius. Then find radius of its base and its volume. And pi, they told you pi's value you have to use 3.14. So here given height equals to 5 centimeter and lateral surface area they have given. This is the lateral surface area, that is equals to 2 pi RH is equals to 94.2 centimeter square they have given. From here we will find the radius. From this relation we can find radius. So number 1, 2 pi RH equals to this 94.2. Just put 2 pi value they have given 3.14. Here you can see, and I am showing with the pointer 3.14, and R will be like that, and H they have given 5 here, that is equals to this. So R is equals to this 94.2 over 2 multiply 3.14 by 5. You can solve this by yourself. Hope you will not face any difficulties in solving it. You will get 3. So R will be 3. So you got the base radius of the cylinder is equals to 3 centimeter. Now you want to find its volume. So volume of the cylinder is equals to pi R square H. Pi value they have given. R you have got here radius 3. So 3 into 3 because R square. So 3 into 3 2 times, or 3 square you can write, that will also come 9. 3 square 9, or 3 into 3 also 9. And H is 5. Now you can multiply all this, you will get this answer, 141.3 centimeter cube. 5 is your homework. You can do it by yourself. I will move to 6. So question number 6. What is question number 6? The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height is 1 meter. Of height 1 meter is this much, 15.4 liter. How many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? How many square meters? Means the area they are asking to find. So here what they have given? Height they have given 1 meter. Volume they have given, because the capacity means the volume, that is 15.4 liter. So 15.4 liter I will convert it into meter. Before also we have done this. 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Or if you convert this into meter, then just divide centimeter divide by 100 will give you meter, but it is cube. So divide by 100 cube. So 100 cube means 60 will come here. 20 will repeat 3 times. So 60. Up is 30. So down 30 and up 30 will cut. So in denominator 30 will be left. That means 1 liter equals to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So here you are having 15.4 liter. So 1 liter equals to this much meter cube. So this much liter will be how much? So this will be multiplied by this 1 by 1000, means divide by 1000. 1 will come here, so it will be same, divide by 1000. So it is 30 below. So this decimal will be shifted 3 digit to the left side. So 1 digit, 2 digit. So add one zero, then put the decimal. So 0.154 meter cube. This thing I have explained you on the previous slide also. Here I have given you the rough this to make the things more clearer. So volume of the cylindrical vessels is equals to, we know, pi r square h. We got here what we got here, volume we got here. So we can write here the volume 0.0154, that is equals to pi r square h. Pi we know 22/7, r square same like that, and h they have given 1 meter, so 1. Then you can solve it. I have changed the side, this all will come this side and this will go that side, right hand side. Then r square is equals to this, and 22 will go down, and this is in division 7, so it will go up in multiplication. Then you can cut it. I have first cut by 2, so 2 cut will give you this. This you can do by yourself. I have shown here with the different color, so just do it by yourself. See, by 2 I have cut, so 2 11 times, and 2 will cut 0.0077. Then again I have cut by 11, so 11 1 times, and this 11 7 times 77. But point is after 1 2 3 4 digits, so after 4 digit you have to give point. So for that you have to add 0 in front of 7, because decimal in starting it's after 4 digits, so at the end also it should be after 4 digit. Then this one will be multiplied with 7, so 7 into 7 49, and again the decimal should be after 4, so add 2 more 0 in front of 49 and give this decimal. So this is r square equals to this. Now r will be equals to square root of this, so it will come 0.07. You can find the square root. Now they told you to find how many square meters of metal sheet required. That is the total surface area of the cylinder. And total surface area of the cylinder previously we have learned, that is equals to 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. So just put the value 2 pi 22/7, r is this 0.07, we got it from here, and height is 1, and r again this. You solve this, you will multiply. You can solve this calculation by yourself, because it is taking very long time for me to explain each and everything. Hope you all know the calculation, at least you have learned all these things. So just you calculate by yourself in your way, in the rough. Use pen and paper to use this calculation, to do the calculation. Keep one sheet, keep some notebooks along with pen with yourself while seeing this video, and if any problem, just put a pause and do the calculation by yourself. Then you can proceed further. So when you will do the calculation, you will get 0.4708 meter square. So you can say 0.4708 meter square of metal sheet would be needed to make the closed cylindrical vessels of height 1 meter. Hope it is clear to you all. Now question number 8. 7 you have to do by yourself. It's the same kind question. Now last question number 8. A patient in a hospital is giving soup daily in a cylindrical ball of diameter 7 centimeter, diameter not radius. If the ball is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So first we will find the radius. Diameter is given, so radius will be diameter by 2, that is 7 by 2 centimeter, that will give you 3.5 centimeter when you will divide. And height is given, means soup we are filling up to 4 centimeter, that is the height of soup, means the 4 centimeter. Now you can find the volume of the soup, or the capacity of cylindrical ball, one cylindrical ball, or that is equals to pi r square h. Pi value we know, r they have given 3.5, so 2 times you can write as it is square, or you can write the square simply here, and h is 4. When you will calculate this, you will get this 154 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a soup served to 1 patient. So how much will be the volume for 250 patients? So therefore the volume of soup prepared daily to serve 250 patients equals to 250 multiplied by volume of 1 patient. Volume of soup given to 1 patient, that is 154. So when you will multiply this 250 and 154, you can multiply on a rough side in your notebook, then you will get this 38500 centimeter cube. It's a volume, so unit should be cube there. Cubic centimeter, you can write cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Hope this class was helpful and clear to everyone. Lots of things we have finished in this chapter. 6 exercises we have finished, so you have lots of work to do. Practice all these things. Don't memorize it, memorize all formulas, but the sums concept try to practice by yourselves. Keep the concept in your brain and practice all these sums by yourselves. Don't keep any confusion. Watch the video again and again to clear your ideas, to clear your concepts. So this is all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay at your home. Be safe.